Hello everyone, today the plan is to finish the furnace. First I will start by cutting the hole for the air and fuel inlet. And to do that I'll cut in teeth so this would work as a cutter. Some bricks stick out more than others, so I'll level them. Now I'll drill these holes in the fire brick so I can insert these pins, which will hold the lid in place when I lift it up. Now I'll make the handle for the lid. Now I need to bring everything to another shop where I can weld everything that has to be welded. And for the finishing touch, I'll put a layer of this cement, which has a higher heat resistance than the fire brick. So that should prolong the life. of the furnace. And that's mostly done. I'll leave it for a couple of days so the cement can cure. And that will be all for this vlog. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.